Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually my second video on my channel, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nishat Karim. So hi, and I'm from London. Today I wanted to demonstrate the product showcase feature on my new vlogging camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So if you haven't watched my unboxing video, I will leave the link on this video. I started my YouTube channel with the hope that it will give me the confidence to speak in front of camera, but unfortunately I am so used to making short form content on TikTok and Instagram, where I will just add a voiceover like this one, or I will just add music in the background. So I'm hoping that eventually I will get the confidence to speak in front of camera, because I like to share a lot of information. I enjoy making makeup tutorials, I enjoy vlogging because I just like traveling a lot. I have a holiday plan to go to Greece soon, so I would love to be able to vlog my adventure there. But one place that I love to visit the most is my home country, which is Bangladesh, because I am Bengali and I have a very deep connection and deep love towards my own country. I actually visit Bangladesh every year, but this year I was unable to go because I just had my daughter, who is now 3 months old. I love Bangladesh so much that I actually got married in Bangladesh, so I think that says a lot. I actually did my own wedding makeup in Bangladesh because of lack of time. I only had 1 week from my pre-events to my wedding. I've graduated in biomedical science and worked in the NHS for over 5 years. I am not a makeup artist, I just love makeup. I was born in London, but to be honest with you, I feel like a tourist when I walk out my house. I have one younger sister and she is completely opposite to me. I am quite introverted and she is very, very extroverted. I don't like going out and exploring London, whereas she knows every single place in London. But I do want to improve this and reduce my social anxiety and be able to speak in public confidently, hence why I got the vlogging camera. I will be making more videos using the DJI Pocket 3 because I love this camera. It actually has a lot of cool features, so I would like to be able to test every feature out, and hopefully it will help you too. So please don't forget to subscribe. I had the Sony ZV-1 camera, which was supposed to be one of the best vlogging cameras last year. I had it for less than 1 year, but then got rid of it because it had quite a lot of flaws. Even though the image quality and video quality was pretty good, I feel that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 actually tackles all the flaws that the Sony ZV-1 camera had. So I will be making a video separately to say which flaws the Sony ZV-1 had and how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is better. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and leave a comment letting me know where you guys are from.